Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add notary information in Docusign when a document needs notarization. This guide will help us include the right notary fields and settings easily. Let's get started on the Docusign dashboard. We go directly to Start. You can click the Start drop-down and select an envelope to sign a document. Let's sign a document. First, we will upload our document from the computer. Find your sample notarization letter. Here, we have a sample notarization letter. This letter needs to be notarized with a signature and the printed notary name. Now, let's get it notarized. We will upload our notarization letter from the computer and wait for it to load. Once it's done, just click Sign In or Sign. Once here, we need to add the fields. The first field is the date. Let's align the date field. Now, let's add the name. Place the full name here. Let's add some checkboxes. Here. Once that's done, you can add a stamp. We have uploaded a stamp here. If you want to create a new stamp, just double-click it. It's generating. You can put the stamp here. If you want to create more stamps, just click Create Stamp. Once you have the stamp, add the signatures here. Let's make the signatures bigger and then add the printed name. Check if you need to add more fields. Make changes as needed. Once we're done, just click Finish. After setting up, click Finish and Email. Let's add an email, for example, sample mail. This will send the document for signing right away. Notary documents are sent. Once sent, we are redirected to the inbox. Here, we can see our notary documents. Let's check it. Now, we will preview. As you can see, there's our stamp, our name, our signature, and the date. This is how we add notary information in Docusign. By setting up notarizations correctly, we make sure our documents meet legal and compliance requirements.